Let us now continue in this section which prescribes the third case affix tritiya vibhakti. This section which starts from 2-3-18 kartrukaranayos tritiya. Anuvritti of tritiya goes down to 2-3-25. Let us now take the sutram 2-3-20 which says yenanga vikaraha. Yena anga vikaraha. The Vritya Sutram says yenangena vikrutenangino vikaro lakshyate tatas tritiya syat, which means the third case affix is used following a pratipadikam nominal stem which denotes a deformed body part by which a deformation of the body is indicated. In the Sutram, Panini says yena, that yena is interpreted as vikrutenangena, by a deformed body part. Of course, if the body part is not deformed, it cannot indicate a deformation of the body. It is obvious that for a body part to indicate a deformation of the body part has to be deformed. So that is why the vritti says angena vikrutena. The second point here is that the term anga used in the sutram is interpreted as angin, that which has the body part. So angin is the body, the one which has the body part. That's why the vritti says anginaha vikaraha lakshyate. So anga vikaraha is taken as anginaha vikaraha. So deformation of the body which has this deformed body part. So yena stands for yena angena vikrutena and anga vikaraha stands for anginaha vikaraha. Then we supply lakshyate is indicated. This is how the final meaning becomes. A third case affix is used following a pratipadikam which denotes a deformed body part by which a deformation of the body is indicated. For example, akshna kanaha. Akshna is tritiya ekavachanam of akshi pratipadikam. It's a napumsakalinga pratipadikam. Recall that by the Sutram 7.175, Asthi dadhi sakhyakshna manangudataha. When a case affix starting from the instrumental singular affix ta, beginning with a vowel follows, the bases Asthi, dadhi, sakthi and akshi get the anang replacement, which has the udattaha accent. That's how we get the form akshna as the tritiya ekavachanam. After applying 6-4-134, allopo naha. Of course, right now we're not concerned about the derivation, but in case you're wondering how we got akshna as the tritiya ekavachanam of akshi, that's how it is derived using 7.175 followed by 6-4-134. Okay, so what this sentence means is blind in one eye. In English we say blind in one eye. But in Sanskritam the literal meaning is blind by one eye, meaning blind by one blind eye. Of course, the eye has to be blind in order to make him deformed. If the eye is not blind, how will he be deformed by the eye? So that's how it is expressed in Sanskritam, is someone is blind by one blind eye. Or we can spell it out as akshisambandhi kanatva vishishtaha ityarthaha, meaning a person who is characterized vishishtaha by blindness, kanatva relating to one eye, akshisambandhi. So akshna kanaha means akshisambandhi kanatva vishishtaha, which means a person who is characterized by blindness relating to one eye. Similarly, padena khanjaha, crippled in one leg, which is expressed in Sanskritam as padena khanjaha, which literally means crippled by one crippled leg. In English we say crippled in one leg. To highlight the importance of the condition anga vikaraha, which equals anginaha vikaraha, meaning a deformation of the body, a counterexample is given as akshi kanam asya. His one eye is blind. It is not talking about a deformation of the body. It's just talking about a deformed eye. So here, since the condition anga vikaraha is not satisfied, we don't use the third case affix. We just use the first case affix to get akshi kanam asya. One eye of his is blind. So unless the deformation of the body is indicated, we cannot use 2-3-20.